Welcome back, guys. In this video, you are going to know the educational system of Oxford University. So let's start our video. As one of the oldest and most prestigious universities in the world, the educational system of Oxford University is renowned for its academic excellence, rigorous standards, and centuries-old traditions. Oxford operates on a collegiate system consisting of 38 autonomous colleges and 6 permanent private halls, each with its own unique history, culture, and academic programs. Undergraduate education. At Oxford, undergraduate education typically begins with a 3- or 4-year bachelor's degree program. Students apply to a specific college within the university and are admitted to both the college and the university itself. The college provides accommodation, meals, pastoral care, and academic support, while the university oversees teaching, examinations, and the awarding of degrees. Tutorial system. A defining feature of Oxford's educational system is its tutorial method of teaching. Undergraduates receive one-on-one or small group tutorials with academic experts in their field, allowing for personalized instruction, intensive discussion, and critical engagement with course materials. Tutorials complement traditional lectures, seminars, and independent study, providing students with a well-rounded and intellectually stimulating learning experience. Flexible curriculum. Oxford offers a wide range of undergraduate degree programs spanning arts, humanities, sciences, social sciences, and professional disciplines. Students have the flexibility to tailor their course of study to their interests and career goals, choosing from a diverse array of subjects and interdisciplinary options. The emphasis is on depth of study and intellectual curiosity, with students encouraged to pursue independent research and explore cutting-edge scholarship. Assessment. Assessment at Oxford is rigorous and varied, with students evaluated through a combination of examinations, coursework, essays, projects, and oral assessments. Final examinations, known as finals or mods, moderations, and honors, typically take place at the end of each academic year or at the conclusion of the degree program. Performance in these examinations determines the classification of the degree awarded. Graduate education. Oxford also offers a range of postgraduate degree programs, including master's degrees, doctoral, DPhil programs, and professional qualifications. Graduate students engage in advanced research, scholarship, and professional training under the supervision of leading academics and practitioners in their field. Overall, Oxford University's educational system is characterized by its academic rigor, interdisciplinary approach, personalized instruction, and commitment to excellence. It continues to attract students and scholars from around the world, making significant contributions to knowledge, culture, and society. If this video is informative for you, so subscribe my educational channel for getting free notification of all the videos.